My name is Dominic, and I play soccer for SPSCC. Yeah, I came here to United States in 2014. When I left Burma, I was 12 years old. We went to Malaysia, and we were in Malaysia in a refugee immigrant camp, and from Malaysia we came here. My family is still in here. We all live in Shadow together. I have 6 brothers and sisters, plus my parent and me. We are 9. When my first time got here and I see the soccer field, and I'm like, whoa, this is professional soccer field, because we didn't have any good field back in my home country. So when I see it, I'm like, I want to play in that field. And then every after school I just play the pickup game, and finally I played in high school for 4 years straight in varsity. Soccer bring people together. I came here SPS for knowing nobody, only the coach. And then I came here, and then I see all the stranger peoples, and then like we all came as a family in the team. So that's what made me love soccer. It brings people together. As a student athlete, it's not only about playing soccer. We also have to focus it on school, academic part, and also we always like help each other, whether it is in sports or academic parts. English is my 3rd language, and it is hard for me to get to know, and it is hard for me to learn a lot. But there are my teammates, my second family. They are always helping me. If I don't know, I ask them and they help me. In my family, there's nobody that have been graduate high school or getting degree, so I will be the first one to get college degree. So it will make me very happy and proud myself. Especially my parents will be really proud of me, I'm pretty sure. Ever since I was in kindergarten, I'm always really interested in soccer. No matter where I go, from Burma to Malaysia to here, my number 1 sport is soccer.
1, 2, 3, Clippers!